Accidentally deleted files from your Mac or MacBook? In most cases, recovery is simple. But the moment you realize the trash has already been emptied, or worse, the files were deleted permanently without going to the trash at all, that's when things start to feel hopeless. The good news is, that's no longer the end of the story. With 4D Data Recovery version 5.8.5, there's been a major technical breakthrough. It now supports recovering data from Apple Silicon Macs with encrypted storage, which means even permanently deleted files, including emptied trash data, may still be recoverable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up and recover your lost files step by step. First things first, download 4D Data Recovery from the link in the description below and install it normally. Once you open 4D, you'll land on the data recovery screen by default. This is where you'll see all available drives. If you start scanning, one of the things you'll notice is that 4D will ask for permission to scan your Mac's internal disk. This step is extremely important. Without full disk access, the scan results will be very limited. Let me walk you through this quickly. Go ahead and shut down your Mac completely. Then press and hold the power button until you see loading startup options. You'll see two options here, Macintosh, HD, and Options. Select Options, then click Continue. Next, click Utilities in the top menu, open Terminal, and type CSRUTIL disabled. Press Enter, type Y to confirm. Then close Terminal. Go back to Utilities, open Startup Security Utility, choose Permissive Security, and check Allow User Management of Kernel Extensions from Identified Developers. Click OK and restart your Mac. After restarting, open 4D first. Then go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and you'll see a prompt asking you to allow the kernel extension for 4D. Click Allow, restart one more time, and the setup is complete. Now, before we actually start scanning, there's one important thing I want to mention. One of the most common reasons files go missing, especially on external drives, is file system corruption. Because of that, I highly recommend creating a backup first, just in case. 4D has a built-in backup feature right here. You can create a byte-to-byte backup of the drive so everything is preserved before scanning. Now we're ready for the real recovery. If you're scanning an external drive like a hard drive, USB drive, or SD card, go ahead and connect it to your Mac. For this demo, I'll select Data Recovery. Choose the drive, click Scan, and let 4D do its thing. You can choose what file types you want to recover, then hit the blue Scan button. As the scan runs, you'll see files showing up in real time. Deleted files, lost documents, photos, videos, pretty much everything. One really nice feature is that you can actually browse files while the scan is still running. Once the scan is complete, you can review the results in different ways, by file type, modification date, size, or file status. You can switch between list view and icon view, which makes finding specific files much easier. When you find the files you want, select them and click Recover. You can fully preview files before recovering them, which helps make sure they're intact. Finally, choose a safe save location, preferably a different drive, and that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like it and subscribe for more Mac and Windows recovery tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.